Salome wakes up at 5:45 a.m. She makes her bed, takes a shower, as breakfast, her ready, grabs her bag, takes transportation, and goes to school. She rests at 1 p.m., changes clothes, washes her hands, and as lunch she rests until 2 p.m. She takes another shower and puts on her sport uniform to go to her sport class, which ends at 3 p.m. She returns home, takes her dance outfit, and goes to participate. She comes back at 5 p.m. resting while watching television, and then 6 p.m. She has dinner at 6:40 p.m. She has doing her homework and prepares her back uniform, shoes, and socks for the next day. At 8:30 p.m., she takes another shower, brushes her teeth, says goodbye to evening, and goes to bed.